Not a 58, I swear. Not a 58. Not bad. I'll post that. How am I not getting faster? I'm not saying how am I not getting faster. It's just I'm rusty. The videos I posted, the first videos I posted on this channel were the last time I cubed, other than today. Yeah. So. How is there a 9.36 on here? I did not ever do a 9.36. Whoops. Alright. Yeah, my best on here is 14.79, and then I think it might just be on a different session. That's 2x2. That was one hand. Oh. There it is. Sorry. 10.19. Fastest I've ever solved a 3x3, actually. Fastest I've ever solved a Rubik's Cube in general was 2.62 seconds. It was a 2x2, but I have lost all of my 2x2s, so can't really do that.